type program. It probably sounds pretty loud right now. So we share our workshop with the laundry room of the apartment complex, one of our jobs, and it just flooded, so it kind of sucks. Didn't affect anything for ADHERE gear. We're still able to print. Everything is going as usual. The thing I'm more so concerned about is having to deal with any mold issues that might come about. This floor that we have here is old school, asbestos. It's got the black tar flooring, so it is what it is. We're working with what's up, man? Yeah. It's the pod pack. He brings up a good point. Check out the pod pack so far. So you see we got, hey, that's the wheel, buddy. So we've got the lid going, the other parts, got the top part, the side part. Right now what's printing is going to be the lower base section here that will then connect up with this part here. So in theory that would be all one printed piece, but because of our restrictions with width and height, we have to do it in multiple prints. Yeah, it's an interesting day. I had to put out a lot of fires today with one job. The airport job was pretty tough on the body this morning. Then now we got this flooding thing that we're trying to figure out how to mitigate as much mold and stuff as possible from growing in this old building. But on a positive note, we did have our awesome check-in for orientation and everything for the PIA program, so that's super exciting. So we're going to start moving in probably this weekend to that office. So we'll officially have 2 different offices, one here in Tigard as well as one in downtown Portland. So that's pretty cool. We're trying to figure out kind of like how that's going to work, with the family, the work schedule, the health, how to make sure that it's still making good progress each and every day. So that's some theories, but not really going to know until get in there and grind it out day in and day out for a couple weeks to kind of see what works and what doesn't work. So yeah, with that, hopefully on the next video we'll be giving you an update showing the lower portion, which is pretty exciting, and then we're going to try and print that side piece again. You can see we have it, but it didn't finish printing. It ran into an error, and also there was a blip here where it had like a seam line, which is kind of weird. But yeah, that's kind of like a placeholder for right now. So yeah, it's getting there. Excited, stressed, tired, but driven. So, definitely gonna make this happen no matter what. So we'll give you guys an update later. ADHERE out.